Hey everyone, it is now T2X time. Our day just ended for T2X and the new day has started. So we're going to see if we can get these numbers to actually pull up. But first off, what we're going to do is go collect our rewards. So I ended up putting in 2,120 Tron. I added an extra 120. So kind of excited about it. This keeps growing and making my life a little happier, so throw a little bit extra at it. I got some from my rewards from GooseBet today, so go ahead and collect. I ended up getting 3,935 T2X. If we come back over here to stake, there we go. So 4132. We're gonna stake it for 10 days. And we shall start it. Alright. So right here. On day 7, this is the one I spent 3,000 TRX Tron coins on, and right now I'm already going to get back 3,467. Let that sink in for a second. I have already ROI'd, and I still have, I don't even know what day this is, 12? So I still got 5 days. I'm halfway through. Halfway through. This one I have 1,000 Tron. I'm getting 583 back already. We're 4 days in. 3 days in. This one was 2,000. Doing good there. That's a quarter of the way back. I didn't get near as many for my 2,000 on this one. So I'm only 100 Tron away, or 100 Tron into it. So I still have 1,900 to go on this one. But these will continue to produce. Really, I expect to get most of my Tron back within these first 2 releasing funds to me. So let's go back over to the auction. I'm going to go ahead and enter and put in my 2,000. Let me click up here. 2,000. Enter the auction. Give it a second. There it goes. So, right now, I mean, this number is obviously going to change. Hardly anybody's put in yet because it just started. But it'll kind of give you a rough estimate of where you're going to be based on how much you've put in compared to how much the entire group's put in. So the way the staking works is however much is put in. Let's go back to here. So the day that just finished, 2.641 million, about 2.5 million Tron were put in. 95% of that goes out to dividends payments. So probably the 2.5 million go to dividend staking payments, and those go paid to anybody that's holding the coin, is staking. So each one of these. So the more you can stake, the more you're going to get. And every day, more people get staking added to it. So the goal is to have some staking, but also being able to withdraw your TRX. So every 5 days you get a staking bonus. So 10 days is pretty much optimal to keep it going. If you're on a tighter budget, you can do every 5 days just to get that extra bonus amount. And then, like me, I'm doing 10 days, and I'm going to have 11 in the cycle. Because once this one falls off and clears, I've got to wait 24 hours before I can put it back into the queue. So you got to have that 11th day in there, so there's not a day that's not staking. I want rewards every day. Keep those monies coming in. So, if you join in my referral link that I have down below, you actually get a 5% bonus of T2X upon the completion of your staking. So, if you're not going to use mine, use somebody's. I prefer you use mine, but at least use somebody's. Don't go in unreferraled. That 5% is actually rather nice. Alright. I guess that's really it. Can't think of anything else right this second. If y'all have any questions, ask me down below or hit me up on Discord. Y'all have a wonderful evening, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye bye.